Explanation of the assembly of cordless roller blind.
Assemble the spring. Pre-wrap the spring 3 times to put it into working condition. Insert the pin for fixation. Put the motor and spring into the aluminum tube of the blind. Place the motor on the left and the spring on the right. Install the motor into the bracket. Install the spring into the right side of the aluminum tube. Keep the pin facing out. Lock the bracket on the right. Pull out the pin on the spring. Assembly finished. Results show